thank you for tuning in once again to my channel. My name is Maria if you are new here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I edit my lash photos for my lash business for free. I know some people will include on their online courses that you have to pay for how to edit your photos professionally, but in this video, I will show you how I do it and how you can as well without spending any money, and which app to use. I find branding myself professionally is extremely important, and that includes showcasing my work professionally. So if you are just starting off, the biggest sales point for your business is taking pictures and making them look beautiful and for them to stand out. Before we jump into this video, in my last video, I had made an announcement how I finally reached 14,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So I wanted to give back and offer a free giveaway, giving away a kit with all of my favorite products and supplies I personally use for all of my clients. This kit will include a little bit of my two favorite brands, which will be Paris Lash Academy's products, some of Sinful Lashes products, and of course, some of Lash Therapy's products. This kit will have my favorite glue I use, my favorite pomades, my favorite tweezers, under eyepads, and so much more. Very quickly, let me just show you how you can add yourself to this free giveaway. The winner will be announced May 31st, so this will give you all enough time to participate. The first thing you'll need to do is subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and add yourself to Lash Therapy's Facebook support group. And that's it. Be sure to follow these 3 steps correctly, and for all of those who do, I will write your name down, and then May 31st, we will be picking one name randomly in a box to announce the lucky winner. Good luck, you guys! Alright, now let's jump right into this video. Alright, so I'm going to go to the Facetune 2 app. And as you can see on the bottom, there's all these different features that you can choose to edit your picture. And then on the top left-hand corner, this is where you go into your album and you pick the picture that you want to edit. The picture I have on right now is already edited, but I'm going to show you a picture that has not been edited just yet. So I'm going to go in and find my picture. Okay, so this picture is not edited just yet. As you can see, I want to edit some things on the face, not at all around the work that I have done, but more so around like the skin area. I'm going to go into the smooth feature. There's 2 different smooth features that you can choose from. I like to use this smoother one because it's more enhanced. It also has an eraser right next to it in case if you smooth out an area that you did not mean to smooth out. So let me just show you really quick. I'm going to smooth out the areas that I want to smooth out, and then I'm going to show you at the end where I accidentally smooth it, but I'm going to erase it. Okay, now that I have smoothed the skin area on where I see that I really want it to just, you know, make look a little better, as you can see, I actually smoothed out some of the extensions and then the brow area. Now, let's pretend that I did it on purpose. So I'm going to press the eraser, which I have already done, and I'm going to go back over the brow so I can unsmooth that. And I'm going to go back over the area where I eliminated some of those extensions, and then there you go. So it kind of, you know, just goes back to normal. It's super simple if you mess up, which is a great thing because if you mess up, you don't have to, I don't know, just go through so much things. So the next thing I like to use after I smooth out her skin is the matte feature. The matte feature still has the eraser, which is great. Now this is also almost similar to the smooth feature, but the matte is more so if, let's say, her forehead's super shiny or there's areas that are super shiny. For example, around her brow area. I don't really want her brow area to look super shiny, so I'm just going to matte over that. The matte feature is great because if you do see areas that are shiny, you can just matte over that area. And what I like to do is I like to matte over the bottom natural lashes so they kind of stand out. And then I'm going to just matte over the forehead so this doesn't look like it's shiny either. And I'm going to press the check So after I do that, I'm going to go in and I'm going to whiten the eye area. Be careful with whitening the eye area. You can whiten it to the point where it just looks super fake, and that's not something that I'm trying to achieve. I'm just trying to enhance, you know, her eyes. So I'm just going to whiten the area out a little bit. This is also a great app to use, like for if your client's eyes are super sensitive and her eyes are a little red, you can actually go over it with the whitening feature. And this also can control how whitened you want it to be, so you can decrease it, which I'll show you what it looks like, and then you can increase the white. And then I'm going to press the check mark again. I'm finished with that. Another feature I love to use is in the patch feature. There's the patch and there's the vanish. I love the vanish feature because if she were to have acne or anything like that, I would just erase it. So right here, I'm just going to erase that, and then bam, it's gone. I'm going to erase a little bit of that. So it's great. And then also, if you, like I said, if you accidentally erase something you don't mean to, you can always press the back arrow, which will return back to how it was normally. And after I'm finished, I'm going to press the check mark again. And then whenever you are finished with your picture and you're done editing and there's nothing else that you want to, you know, play around with on this app, press the arrow that looks like it's pointing down on the right hand side, and then after that it saves. Now once it's saved, you can go back into your phone where you store all your photos and your videos, and that is where your photo will be at. And then once you find it, you can actually share that to any of your social media accounts. And what I usually do is I just share this right to my Instagram story, or I will send it right to my main page on Instagram. Here is another picture I had edited, and this is the before and after picture. Here is a video of my client in real time with her classic lash extensions on. Just wanted to show you guys this before I do let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content. Don't forget to add yourself to the Facebook support group Lash Therapy. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys all soon.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.